Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Raymond. Welcome back to my channel, Crypto Success Strategies. Today, we're going to talk about how to remove scam tokens from your wallet. Specifically, the Metamask wallet is what we're going to be talking about today. So stay tuned and hope you enjoy. All right, so most of you probably already have a MetaMask wallet. It's probably connected to your extension there in the corner of your next to your URL bar. Here's mine. I'll show you mine. I don't have a lot going on right here, but there are some tokens in here that either I picked up through some airdrop or maybe even some tokens that were airdropped to me. But this is only part of the story. The real tokens or the real list of tokens is actually some that you can't even see. So I want to show you how to get to those tokens and see that list of tokens that you have that are not visible right here on your main MetaMask screen. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on your account here and copy that. And then you want to go over to BSC scan and drop in your, I'm going to go back to the home page here and drop your um, address there in the search bar. And when you click on the search icon, you'll see your account and you can kind of see what's going on with your transactions that you may have been doing. And also, if you do this drop down right here, you will see a list of all of the tokens that are connected to your wallet. And it's better if you hit the expand button right here so you can open up and see the full list of tokens that are out there that are in your wallet. And as you can see, this list is much larger than the first list that I showed you over here. This only has about 20 or so, but this list um, definitely has more than 20. It's 25, and there's even a second page. And so what you want to do is those tokens that you're not familiar with that just kind of showed up in your wallet, you want to take a look at them and see if they're actually valid tokens. So here's what I do. I'll just take the first one. I'll copy that token address. I'll click on it. It'll open up the contract for it and it'll show me what that token is right here. Once you click on that, you'll have the contract address for that token. And as you can see, if you look at this one, it says a total supply is 10,000. There's about 500,000 addresses where this token is. You can look and see the transactions of this token. And more importantly, you can copy this address. And so if I copy that address, now what I do is I'll take it out to, I personally use Dex tools. And so if you're using Dex tools, all you have to do is paste that address in the bar, and then you're going to have some searches that's going to pop up for that token. And as you can see right here is zerofees.online, which matches right here zerofees.online. And then just click on the pair that comes up. And Dex Tools does a really good job of giving you some good information about that particular token or token pair in this case. And it says right here, a big red bar going across the top says this pair is very low reputation according to the community vote. So that should kind of tell you right off the bat that this token may not be one that you want to try to trade or even do a lot of research on, because people in front of you or people have already looked at it and have done their own researches on it and have responded back with a pretty much low reputation. So the next thing that I do here is I always go to my swap tab here, and it connects the your address to, I mean, your wallet address in here, and you can see that this token shows up right here. And of course, it's BNB to whatever this token address is. And I just usually take a swap here so I can put that one on top. So if I'm swapping out my max that I have in here, it's going to do a calculation and tell me about how much this BNB, how much it would be worth in BNB. And then I just go out and just do a simple BNB to US dollar if you're in the US. And then I'll come here and drop that value that I got from Dex Tools, this 0.0001. I'll copy that and bring it back over here and just paste it in there just so I can get an idea of what it is. So this token in my wallet is worth about 3 to 4 cents. So it's worthless, right? Even though there's what 1,300 tokens that I have in, no, 5,600 tokens that I have in my wallet, it's not even worth 4 cents. But let's say I did want to trade that token, right? So I click on the approve button, and then your MetaMask wallet will then tell you how much that transaction fee would be to make that trade. And so as this is loading up, you'll see here that my transaction fee is going to be $20. $20 to make that transaction. Now, it's going to cost me $20 to make 4 cents. So obviously I'm going to reject that, right? And so that's pretty much a trash token. It's worth nothing in my wallet, but it's sitting there because people, companies or whatever scam artists like to send these tokens to your wallet and hope that you would make that trade or even go out to their sites and take a look around, and then they can uh, access your wallet and begin to take your money out. There's a lot of reports of scam artists doing such things just like that. So what I do is then once I realize that it's a scam token like this, I like to remove it from at least my view. It won't actually go away from your wallet, but at least it won't be in my view to where I would accidentally use it or trade on it or do anything like that. And so the way you want to do that is um, BSC Scan has an opportunity for you to create an account. And so you can go into this one where it would say sign in for you or create an account or something like that. And so you would go there, and I'll just go to my profile. And so right here, you have a token ignore list. And so you can just click on the add button. You can go ahead and paste in that contract. Hold on. Paste in that contract ID from that particular token. You can get it right here from Dex Tools. I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to come back over here to my MetaMask, to my BSC scan. Going to click add. Going to drop that token address in there, and then I'm just going to call it junk token, maybe scam token. And then once I hit continue, it's going to put it right here in my uh, ignore token list. So now if I go back out to my wallet, go to home, and then I'm going to copy my wallet address again. I'm going to put my wallet there and then do a search and expand this list out. And now it was up here at the top. Now it's not there anymore. And so I would do this for all of the tokens that you're not sure of. People will airdrop tokens into your wallet, do all kinds of stuff. And I'll just take the time and do one by one and get rid of all of these scam tokens or junk tokens that's visible in your MetaMask wallet and just clean it up a little bit. Once I found this little tool or trick out, I thought I'd just share that with you. Hopefully, it'll be helpful to you to kind of clean up some things that's going on in your own wallet. And that way, you'll just have a clean list of tokens or coins that you actually are interested in and that you actually do want to see. So, hope this information was helpful for you. If it is, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I hope to keep bringing you content like this. So, hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you later.